Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to code your BMW so that you can roll the windows up with the remote control like this. All you have to do is hold down that lock button and the windows will go up by themselves. It's really easy to code and it comes in handy in situations where if you park your car and you didn't have the windows all the way up, you can go ahead and close it and walk away while holding down the lock button and the windows will go by themselves. Another situation, if you didn't know, that if you turn off the car and you're rolling up the window and if there's someone in the passenger seat and they open up their door first before you had a chance to finish closing the window, it will stop and you have to put the key back into the ignition to be able to continue rolling up the window. Now you don't have to worry about that. If that happens, you can just do it with the remote control. And I'm going to go ahead and show you how to code it right now. Okay, first thing you want to do, like always, you want to check IMPA to make sure that the battery and ignition are both shaded black. Once you can verify that, exit out of IMPA. And then you want to load up NCS Expert. You want to go to load up your coding profile. I like to use coding profile that I have set up. And you want to go to F1. And you want to go to F3. You want to choose e60 for the 5 Series. And then choose CAS. And once it's going to load up your VIN and your vehicle order, you hit F6 back. And then you hit Process ECU F4. Then you want to select CAS. Press OK. And press OK. Then you want to select F4 Read ECU. And once the text box shows up, it means it read it. So you want to go to your work folder. I have a shortcut to it on my desktop. And you want to load up fsw_psw.trc, and I like to edit find, and this is the string you want to find right here. It's comfort slingsung_fb, and go to find next. And underneath where it says niche active, you want to delete the niche underscore so that it only says active. You want to go to file, save, and back again to file, this time save as. And you want to go to where it says save file, save as type, go to all files. And on the end, type in .man. Save it. It's going to ask you to replace, press OK. You can exit out of this, and you want to go to your NCS Expert again, and under F2 go to change job, and this one select SC Qadiran, select OK, and then you can execute job, and then once it says coding ended, you're done. So that's all it took to be able to code your car so you can roll the windows back up with the remote control. Thanks a lot everyone for watching. If the video helped, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting a lot more videos. Follow my Instagram so you can get updates on what I'm doing. Catch you next time. Don't open the door.